If you've been dealing with chronic pain that just won't go away, pain that you've treated with rest, ice, anti-inflammatories, or cortisone injection, there's a good chance the tissue itself has stopped healing. And that's the exact problem that shockwave therapy was designed to solve. Shockwave therapy uses high energy acoustic sound waves delivered directly into the damaged tissue, creating a controlled healing response at a cellular level, stimulating the body's repair mechanisms to start healing again on its own. But here's why the tissue that's injured stops healing. You see, over time, injured tendons become starved of blood flow. Without adequate circulation, the cells responsible for tissue repair can't get what's needed. The injury gets stuck in a cycle of chronic inflammation, degeneration, and no amount of rest medication can break that cycle. But shockwave therapy breaks it. You see, the acoustical waves increase blood flow, stimulate collagen production, and activate growth factors, and break down the calcified deposits within that tissue. Shockwave therapy are getting people back to what they love to do again, and this may be your next treatment to get you back to where you need